धुन कोई ऐसी बजे, सुन के जो हर दिल कहे, रेडियो फॉर द वॉइस ऑफ जयपुरिया, रेडियो फॉर द वॉइस ऑफ जयपुरिया.
Welcome to the world of Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria.
Good morning, everyone. I, RJ Ridhima,
And I, RJ Aryan,
welcome you to Radio Spark, the
voice of Jaipuria.
Aryan, now that we have entered the world of technology, what comes in your mind when you are asked to relate it to commerce?
well, artificial intelligence. I think it's trendy these days, isn't it?
Yeah, but how is it related to commerce?
Businesses can now adopt artificial intelligence and machine learning for customer personalization by using predictive analytical tools such as behavior analytics, image recognition, information, and automation.
That's great. Also, studies estimate that by 2025, the AI application revenue will reach $36.8 billion globally.
You see, that's how you connect it with commerce. Commerce itself is a great source of knowledge.
But I still have many questions about commerce.
Riddhima, we are so fortunate that today we have in our midst Mr. Gaurav Khanna,
who is chartered accountant by profession. He is DISA qualified, diploma in information system audit, and specializes in forensic accounting and fraud detection. Sir, we heartily welcome you to your own institution, and we really feel proud of your achievements.
Thank you.
Sir, we have certain queries in our mind related to commerce, and only an expert like you can help us in answering them.
I'll surely help you out.
What is the significance of financial literacy in India?
Financial literacy, if you're talking about it, is comprised of two terms: the finance and the literacy. Finance is anything related to your money, and literacy is knowledge. So, knowing about your finances and taking prudential decisions and evaluations, how to preserve your money, how to save your money, and how to invest it prudentially. All these things come under financial literacy, and it is important for one and for all, for every person, and I think it is for the financial safety and security and growth of the individual, as well as for the economic growth of the country as well. So financial literacy, it involves the knowledge and wisdom about budgeting, maintaining your and managing your debts, in turn saving money, and then prudentially investing that money for growing your wealth as well as creating wealth for your hard times. So all this comes under financial literacy. Once money is important, obviously saving money and using it for your future is equally important. So financial literacy is a very important term and essential for everyone in the country.
As a common man, I always wanted to ask questions related to tax planning.
Tax planning is basically evaluation of your financial structure. It is basically planning your taxes in a legitimate way so as to minimize the tax liability on a person and to become a tax efficient person. It is legitimate means. You are taking the best possible way how to use the government reliefs, deductions, and other plans which the government offers the schemes. It is using those schemes in the most tax efficient way.
How can a common man reduce the tax?
Fine, if you are earning and you have to reduce your tax, there are many ways. Government gives reliefs, deductions depending on where you invest, what you invest. So it depends from person to person. You can avail those schemes, those exemptions, and reduce your taxes. Like if you invest in, suppose insurance schemes, you are investing in certain bonds, specified and notified funds, which the government says, or you are making some donations in the Prime Minister Fund or other notified funds. So in those things, you get exemptions, you get reliefs, your tax liability reduces proportionately.
I think this answer would make our audience the most happiest.
What do you feel is the role of chartered accounting in preventing tax evasion?
I'll say chartered accountant play a pivotal role. They are basically facilitators who can reduce tax evasion, but they cannot avoid tax evasion because it is purely a prerogative of the person and the SSE. A person has his own morals and ethics. He wants to cheat, he wants to save money, he wants to avoid taxes. A chartered accountant can be helpful or non-helpful, but he cannot be responsible for tax evasion. He can show you ways, there are ethical ways that you shouldn't evade taxes, you should pay taxes, do tax planning, minimize your tax liability. At the end of the day, it's a decision of the SSE. CAs do play a part in avoiding tax evasion. They should play a part.
Okay, that's great.
So, what is a cryptocurrency and how does it function? Is it safe to invest in it?
Cryptocurrency is basically a currency, a virtual currency, which is decentralized, and it is based on cryptography. The creation, the management, the security and the verification of transactions, everything is done through cryptography. All the transactions in a cryptocurrency, they are encrypted. It is based on encryption. All the transactions that are done are through encrypted messages. The encrypted entries and transactions, they go over public wallets. And basically there is a technology, if you have heard about it, it's called the blockchain technology. The transactions which are done of cryptocurrency, they are done through the blockchain technology. In India, generally there are exchanges where cryptocurrency is purchased or it is sold, or you can transact. There are brokers from where you can buy or sell the cryptocurrency. There are exchanges where these things are done, just like share market. I don't think it is very safe, because the only disadvantages of a cryptocurrency are, the first is they are susceptible to hacking. Being purely in digital form, electronic form, there is a lot of problem of hacking, and once it is hacked, you lose your cryptocurrency. The second is, it is very volatile. Since it is not regulated by any authority and it is purely on a platform, on a network platform, so the brokers can take the prices anywhere and everywhere. So when the prices are very volatile, once you invest, either you will get multiple time profits or you will lose everything. So it is not safe. Furthermore, in a country like India, you never know when it becomes illegal. If they announce that the cryptocurrencies are not legal in our country, overnight everything is lost. So I'll say that it is not very safe to invest in cryptocurrency, but still people are dealing in it, they are purchasing and selling it.
How was your experience in Jaipuria, sir?
It was a wonderful experience. In one word, if I'll say, those were the best days of my life, and I owe a lot. Rather, I owe everything which I am today, I owe to my alma mater, Jaipuria. Be it education, be it personality development, be it enjoyment, be it everything. Those were wonderful days when I am saying. I was really nostalgic to come over here to my school just now. And Jaipuria has given me everything.
Thank you so much, sir, for being with us and enlightening us with your knowledge and expertise.
Thank you. It was a privilege to be over here.
We wish you all the best in life and your future endeavors.
Thank you, and same to both of you.
Innovation and commerce are as powerful tools for creating social progress as they are for driving technological advancement. With these wise words of Kiran Mazumdar Shah, we come to an end of today's discussion. I, Ridhima Shukla,
And I, RJ Aryan,
come to an end of today's discussion. Thank you. We sign off.